How to create WhatsApp business account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how can you create WhatsApp business account. For that you need to install WhatsApp business. After you open it up, tap on the install button. Here you need to make sure to completely install the app. It's just going to take a while, and it is as similar as creating a WhatsApp account. You could also use the same phone number if you want to. So once you've installed the app, tap onto the open button. Now here you have to make sure to agree to the terms and condition. If you want to use the same phone number, you could go ahead and use it, or maybe a different one. You could also do that. You could simply go ahead and tap on the continue button. Here you then need to tap on the next after you're done entering your phone number. And you have to make sure to go ahead and verify. So tap on the continue button. Make sure to enable the permissions, and you have to go ahead and give a name, all that, and this way you're supposed to create your WhatsApp business account. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.